Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Go English. I'm Mizu, and I'm so happy you're here with us today. On this channel, we help you learn simple, real-life English that you can actually use every day.
Hey guys, I'm Lucas. Welcome back, learners from all around the world. We're really excited to learn with you today. And as always, we're going to keep things fun, relaxed, and super practical.
So, Lucas, let me ask you something. Do you use AI every day?
Honestly, yeah, I do. I use it for work, for ideas, even for writing sometimes. What about you, Mizu?
Same here. I use AI a lot too. And I also use a lot of apps, like for learning, planning, even chatting. There are just so many tools now.
Yeah, exactly. So what about you guys? Do you use AI every day? And what apps do you use the most?
Tell us in the comments. We'd love to know.
And today, we're going to talk about something super useful.
Today, we're talking about AI and technology in real-life English.
We'll show you how to talk about apps, tools, and AI in a simple and natural way, just like in real conversations.
So by the end of this video, you'll feel more confident talking about technology in English.
And before we start, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Go English.
So you can keep learning English with us every day.
All right, let's get started.
Let's go. All right, Lucas, let's make this more real. How do people actually use AI today?
Honestly, I feel like AI is becoming part of everything now, even small daily tasks.
Yeah, that's so true. Like, it's becoming part of everyday life.
Exactly. Not just big things, small things too.
Okay, what about work? Do you use AI for work, Lucas?
Oh yeah, all the time. For writing, for ideas, sometimes even for coding.
Oh, wow. Really? That's a lot.
Yeah, and even design. Some people use AI to create images or presentations.
That's so cool. So AI is really integrated into work now.
Yeah, that's a great way to say it. Integrated into everyday work.
What about daily life?
Searching for information, for sure.
Oh, yeah, I do that too.
And planning, like planning your day, your trip, your schedule.
Yeah, sometimes I ask AI what to do in my free time.
Same here. It's actually really helpful.
And content creation too, right?
Oh yeah, big time. People use AI to write posts, make videos, create ideas.
Yeah, like scripts, captions, even titles.
Exactly. It saves so much time.
So it's not just using AI anymore.
Yeah, people actually rely on it for thinking.
Yeah, like for ideas, decisions, even learning.
Right. You can say, I rely on AI for my work, or I rely on it for ideas.
Oh, that sounds really natural.
So remember these phrases. They're super useful.
Becoming part of everyday life.
Rely on it for.
Integrated into.
If you can use these, you'll sound really natural when talking about AI.
Yeah, and don't worry, just use simple sentences.
You're already doing great. Let's keep going.
Lucas, can I ask you something a bit deeper?
Yeah, of course. What's on your mind, Mizu?
Do you think AI is changing the way we think?
Yeah, I actually think it is.
Really? How?
Well, before, we used to remember things more, like facts, information.
Yeah, like we tried to memorize everything.
Exactly. But now, we just ask AI.
Oh, yeah, that's so true.
Like, instead of thinking for a long time, we just type a question.
Yeah, and we get the answer in seconds.
So yeah, it's changing the way we think.
Changing the way we think. I like that phrase.
Yeah, it sounds very natural in conversation.
But Lucas, do you think that's a good thing?
I think it depends.
Oh, tell me more.
On one hand, people are becoming more dependent on AI.
More dependent on.
Yeah, like we rely on it for answers, ideas, even decisions sometimes.
Wow, yeah, that's true. So, do we think less now?
Hmm, maybe less deep thinking sometimes.
Yeah, like we don't always try to figure things out ourselves.
But at the same time, we might be thinking more efficiently.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, because we get information faster, so we can focus on bigger ideas.
Ah, okay, I like that.
So you can say, we don't process information the same way anymore.
We don't process information the same way anymore. Yeah, that sounds very real.
It's something people actually say in conversations.
So before, we used to think more, maybe slower.
And now we just ask AI and move faster.
Yeah, that's so true.
And there's no right or wrong, that's just different.
Exactly. The important thing is we understand it and we can talk about it in English.
Yeah, simple, natural, and real.
All right, let's keep going. Okay, Lucas, let's talk about something a bit controversial.
Oh, I like this already. What is it, Mizu?
AI and productivity. Do you think AI makes us more productive?
Oh, definitely. It boosts productivity for sure.
Yeah, I agree. It helps you do things faster, right?
Exactly. You can write faster, plan faster, even solve problems faster.
Wow, yeah, that's true. It saves so much time.
But, on the other hand,
Oh, okay, here we go.
yeah, it can also make people a bit lazy if they overuse it.
Yeah, I see that.
Like, if you over-rely on AI, you might stop thinking for yourself.
Over-rely on. Yeah, that's a good phrase.
For example, instead of trying to solve something, you just ask AI right away.
Yeah, that's me sometimes.
Same here, honestly.
So, do you think we can lose our thinking skills?
Maybe. If people use it too much, they could lose critical thinking skills.
Oh, wow. That sounds serious.
Yeah, but only if you're not careful.
So it's like, on one hand, AI helps us work faster.
And on the other hand, it might make us depend on it too much.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And that structure is really useful, by the way.
Oh, which one?
On one hand, on the other hand.
On one hand, on the other hand. Oh, I like that.
Yeah, you can use it when you want to show two different ideas.
So, what about you, Lucas? Do you think AI makes you lazy?
Sometimes, yeah. But I try to use it smartly.
Yeah, same here. I think balance is important.
Exactly. Use AI to help you, not replace you.
Oh, that's a great way to say it.
All right, let's keep going.
Lucas, this is something I hear all the time. AI and jobs.
Yeah, that's a big topic right now.
Some people are really worried about it.
Yeah, I get that. I mean, some jobs might be replaced by AI.
Yeah, like repetitive jobs, right?
Exactly. Jobs that are very routine, very predictable.
Yeah, that makes sense. But Lucas, do you think it's all bad?
No, not really.
Oh, really?
Because at the same time, new opportunities will appear.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's true.
Like new jobs, new roles, things we didn't have before.
Yeah, like people working with AI, not against it.
Exactly. That's the key idea.
So it's not just about losing jobs, it's also about changing jobs.
Yeah, adapting.
Adapting. I like that word.
Yeah, very important word. So you can say, the key is learning how to work with AI.
The key is learning how to work with AI. Yeah, that sounds very real.
Yeah, that's something people say in real conversations.
What about you, Lucas? Are you worried about AI taking jobs?
Not really worried, but I think we need to keep learning.
Yeah, I agree.
Because if you understand AI, you can use it to your advantage.
Oh, I like that. Use it to your advantage.
Yeah, don't fight it. Work with it.
So, some jobs might be replaced by AI.
But new opportunities will appear.
And the most important thing is to adapt.
Exactly. Keep learning, keep growing.
All right, let's move on. All right, Lucas, let's make this super real. Imagine this situation.
Okay, I'm listening.
Someone at work uses AI a lot, like for everything.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I know someone like that.
Really? Same here.
So, how would you talk about that in English?
Hmm. I might say, I think they rely on AI too much.
Oh, that sounds really natural.
Yeah, it's not too strong, but still honest.
Exactly. It sounds polite, not rude. I might also say it's helpful, but they should still think for themselves.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, it shows balance.
Right. You're not saying AI is bad.
But you're saying people shouldn't depend on it too much.
What if you're talking to a friend?
Oh, then you can be a bit more relaxed.
Hey, you use AI for everything.
Yeah, that sounds very real.
Try to think a little too.
Yeah, friendly but honest.
So in real life, you don't need complicated English.
Yeah, just simple sentences, natural tone.
I think they rely on AI too much.
It's helpful, but they should still think for themselves.
That's already enough for a real conversation.
Exactly. Simple but powerful.
All right, let's keep going. All right, Lucas, now let's help everyone sound a bit more natural and confident.
Oh, not just better English, but smarter sounding English, right?
Yeah, exactly, but still simple.
So instead of just saying AI is useful,
Yeah, that's okay, but a bit basic.
you can say AI is becoming essential in many areas of life.
Oh, wow, that sounds much better.
Yeah, same idea, just a bit more natural and expressive.
Or instead of saying AI is dangerous,
How would you say it?
it can be risky if people depend on it too much.
Oh, I like that.
It sounds more thoughtful, not too strong.
Yeah, you giving an opinion, not just a simple statement.
So remember this.
Simple ideas plus clear opinion equals good speaking.
You don't need big words. Just say your idea clearly.
Exactly. That's how real conversations work.
All right, now it's your turn.
Yeah, let's do a speaking challenge.
We're not asking simple questions anymore.
These are deeper questions, so try to answer in full sentences.
Do you think AI is making people smarter or lazier?
Oh, wow, that's a good one. How has AI changed the way you work or study?
Yeah, think about your real life. Would you trust AI to make important decisions?
That's a big question.
Take your time, think, and try to speak in English.
Yeah, don't worry about being perfect.
Just share your ideas.
The more you speak, the more confident you become.
You've got this. All right, Lucas, let's talk about everyday vocabulary for discussing AI and technology in a simple way that people use often and super useful.
Yeah, these are the words you can use right away in real life. No complicated stuff.
Okay, first, common tech words. You've probably heard this one, AI.
Yeah, AI, artificial intelligence. But honestly, you don't need to say the full name every time.
Yeah, just say AI. Super easy.
Like, I use AI every day.
Oh, nice. Simple and clear.
Next word, app.
Oh, yeah. Everyone knows this one.
Yeah, like, what apps do you use the most?
I use a lot of learning apps.
Oh, really? Nice.
Next, software.
This one sounds a bit more work, you know?
Yeah, like Office or computer programs.
I use this software for my job.
Good one.
Then we have tool.
Tool. I like this word.
Yeah, me too. Very flexible.
This is a really helpful tool.
Yeah, nice and natural.
And last one, platform.
Like YouTube, Instagram?
Oh, yeah.
I use this platform to learn English.
Perfect. Okay, now let's talk about actions, things you do with technology.
Oh, this is important.
First, use.
The easiest one.
I use this app every day.
Super common.
Download.
I downloaded this app yesterday.
Oh, nice.
Install.
Similar to download, right?
Yeah, kind of. You can say, I installed the app.
Got it.
Try.
I want to try this new AI tool.
Oh, that sounds natural.
Explore.
I like this word.
I'm exploring this new platform.
Oh, wow, that sounds really natural.
Okay, last group. How to describe technology.
Yeah, this helps you share your opinion.
Useful.
This app is very useful.
Nice and easy.
Helpful.
This tool is really helpful.
Yeah, I say that a lot.
Easy to use.
This app is easy to use.
Oh, I like that one.
Fast.
It's really fast.
Yeah, everyone loves fast apps.
Smart.
Oh, yeah.
This is a smart tool.
Nice.
See, these words are very simple.
Yeah, but you can already make so many sentences with them.
You don't need big vocabulary, just these words, and you can start talking.
Exactly. Keep it simple, keep it real.
All right, let's keep going. All right, before we finish, just remember, don't be afraid to talk about technology.
Yeah, you don't need perfect English.
Just start simple and speak naturally.
And now we want to hear from you.
What AI do you use?
Comment below and share your experience with us.
And if you enjoyed this video,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Go English.
so you can keep learning with us every week.
Thanks for learning with us today.
Take care, keep practicing, and keep speaking.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone!